How to save Instagram draft reels in gallery without posting. In this tutorial, I will show you how to save Instagram draft reels in a gallery without posting. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram mobile application, just like you can see here. For the purpose of the tutorial, I will go ahead and create a new reel and then save it as a draft. Make sure you follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. As you can see, I'm done with the process and back to the homepage of the app. Next, make sure you tap on the Make New Post icon that appears here. This will open this page where you can view your photos and videos in your gallery. Next, make sure you navigate to the Reels section because that is where you will find the saved drafts. As you can see, this page will then appear. Next, navigate to the top part of the page and then make sure you tap this option named Drafts. You will then see all the reel drafts you have saved. We only have one draft as you can see here, so make sure you tap on the draft. The new reel page will load where you are supposed to add some information to the reel before posting it. Next, make sure you tap on this option here named Edit. As you can see, this page with the reel will appear where you can edit the reel. What you have to do is pull the reel down just like you can see me doing here. After that, a new menu will appear at the bottom of the page. From the menu, make sure you tap on the download icon that appears here. Next, this other menu with two options will appear. From them, the one we need is this one named Save to Camera Roll. Instagram will then start processing your request, and just like that, the reel will be saved to your gallery. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to save Instagram draft reels in gallery without posting.